Shoot. Wait, what did you want?
A slumber party?
Slumber party?
Yeah.
What about it? Oop.
I've been okay, so I had a slumber party once when I was a night at my auntie's house. So, we found like an accident because she dropped something that was hard on the table and it cracked. But at least we fixed it with super glue, but tomorrow it was dried. So the problem was solved, but we had another accident. And it was the cat because he was bleeding, but we put a band-aid on him and
You put a band-aid on what?
the cat, he
Oh
was
my
bleeding.
God. And when you took the band-aid off, what happened?
He feel better.
When you didn't pull his hair off of him?
No.
Huh.
And we kind of seen one fur on it, but when we took the fur off of it, something like kind of happened to the band-aid. It turned wet, like soggy. But at least we rolled it away.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So what about the slumber party?
It was kind of fun.
Yeah, but you're talking about having another one?
I know because I only had one slumber party once. And then now I had a two because a long time ago I was at Savannah's house and we had a slumber party. But it was kind of a blast. And nothing happened there. It was just like a blast. But I was trying to be good. And then I'm all finished.
You said you wanted to make one here.
I know.
Why?
Because I want my whole family to be in the slumber party.
Yeah. Wow. So what do you got to do do it, to be able to have it?
I have to record myself and tell all the people in this city on Earth know that help me have a slumber party. That's what I have to do.